Hi class. I thought I'd share my solution for the quiz extra assignment that I presented today. First of all, the quiz as covered in my slides will show a question: is PHP hard fun? With a form showing a select drop-down with two options. You can select yes, hard and fun, press go, and get to see you selected yes. Would you like to try again? I would. And if I select no, I get to see you selected no. So what I'm after is a little more than just you selected and then whatever a user selected. I'd like the form, or rather I'd like my system, to provide feedback depending on whether a user selected yes or no. So in my script, I just want to explain or talk a bit about why it does what it does. I've got this quiz form which will be returned from my quiz.php script. And the quiz form, well, it's a form. It has a question: is PHP hard fun? There is a select element with two options. So in a sense, a select is kind of like a list, like a UL element. And an option is like an LI. In a sense, they're different. A select takes a name attribute, and that name attribute, when the form is submitted, the form will encode a post variable under the name answer, and the post variable named answer will have a value of either yes or no, depending on which option a user selected. So the name attribute is important, and remembering that the method was post is also important. The script that will receive this HTTP request made by the form is index.php page equals quiz. Notice that page. In my index, if there is a variable, get variable page, well then a variable $view will remember the value of the URL variable page. So if there is a page, in this case with a value of quiz, then my index will remember quiz inside $view and load, by including ones, a file called quiz.php found inside my views folder. So when my quiz form is submitted, this is what will be loaded: the quiz script. The quiz script, I really want either to show the form or to show a quiz response. So I'm using the method post, and if the form is submitted, there will be a post variable named answer, and it will be encoded. Consequently, if a post variable named answer is set, if that is true, well then the form was submitted. If it's false, the form was not submitted. And if it was submitted, that form, I want to build a quiz response. If the form was not submitted, I just want to show the form, show the quiz. Anyway, what I want is for the quiz response to provide different output depending on what the user selected. So I declare a variable out equals, let me grab you selected answer If answer is yes, I want to add to out something like paragraph, end paragraph. I absolutely agree, hard and fun. If the answer is not yes, I guess the answer will be no. So if a user replied no, the output could be, oh really? I kind of like PHP. And in the end, whether my user selected yes or no, I'd like to see a try again button or a link for reloading the form. So there we are. If the provided answer found in the post array, if it is yes, provide an output you selected. Yes, I absolutely agree. PHP is hard and fun. If the answer is no, you selected no. Oh really, I kind of like PHP. And I find it hard. At the end of that string, no matter what, would you like to try again? Reloading the quiz page. Let's try that. So the quiz is PHP hard fun. Yes, hard and fun. You selected yes. I absolutely agree. PHP is hard and fun. Let's try again. No, easy and boring. Oh really? I kind of like PHP, and I find hard. What? I find it hard. There we are. That's a quiz that provides different responses depending on what a user's answer was. That's one solution to the extra quiz assignment.